So this is the situation this morning. Smidge alert. There are several smidges out. Day 4 starts. Looking super sexy. This is the lovely lodge that we stayed in last night. Can't see a single thing. How are we feeling about today, everybody?
Great.
Good.
I'm actually feeling all right, considering I had a bit of an ache on my foot yesterday. But today's going to be a good day. Bar the smidges. Now that we're up here, the smidges aren't actually that bad. Smidges, midges, whatever you want to call them. $500 more. We've just crossed over this road here and came across this sign, and it says either go down here or go this way. We don't think it's that way, so the road is there. We think it's this way. Just to let you know if there's any confusion, because it confused us. This is a very close angle, but we're going to vibe with it. Helen, how did you find today?
Easy, really.
I actually thought today was a very easy day, and I'm very thankful for the easy day because my feet were sore yesterday. Debbie, how did you find just today?
Oh, easy today.
Oh, easy.
Second easiest day.
Yeah.
It was a bit of a drag coming out of,
When we were going through the heather
from Inverarnan.
in Inverarnan.
There's a bit of a hill to climb, wasn't there?
Oh, yeah.
We had to climb the first probably few miles, but after that it's been quite nice, easy walking.
It's been a lovely, easy walk.
Yeah, it was.
Setting us up for tomorrow.
Tomorrow's 19 miles.
19 miler. I can't say I'm too excited about it.
No.
All in all, a very good 4th day. Bring on number 5. I've got mascara all over my